First you drill, then you hammer. Phew! Being a magical hairstylist is pretty hard. Good morning, Fairy! Oh, my hair is such a mess! Is this a hair revolution? I need to go to a hair salon right now! Hey, anybody here? Fairy can't wait any longer. Since nobody's here, I'll try to do my hair on my own. For starters, tame your hair with hairspray and brush it. Pin the top strands and curl the bottom strands using a conical wand. Undo the top strands and curl them. Make twists by picking up strands of hair and fasten them with bobby pins all around your head. Decorate the hairdo. Put in dried flowers. And here comes the client. She shows up at the fairy tale salon and starts explaining what kind of hairstyle she wants. It has to be special and inspired by Ariel, the Little Mermaid. Well, Fairy will have to become a hairstylist. Divide the hair in the middle along the part. Make 2 French braids. Fasten them with hair ties. Something is missing. Oh, I know! Take a braided orange hair extension and pin it on top of the braid. Braid the end of your hair into the upper braid and hide it. Decorate the part with glittery hairspray. Put clear hairstyling gel into a little container and add makeup glitter to it. Stir and label it. This product is created especially for underwater hairstyles. It contains glitter from all the oceans of the world. Let's coat the part with the gel and apply it to your temples. Your hair is ready. Now you look like a real mermaid. Thanks a lot. Phew, Fairy managed to handle her first client. Oh, this client is so angry. Honestly, I'm a little scared of her. Divide the hair with a horizontal part. Separate the front strands and pin them. I guess I know which look will be perfect for her. She needs Maleficent's horns. Cut big hair curlers and remove the top Velcro layer. Shape a horn. Hot glue the piece to a hair curler. Put in a wire and bend the top of the horn. Make 2 identical details and put the hair curlers onto a headband. Place the headband onto the horizontal part. Separate the strands near your face and wrap them around the hair curlers. Fasten them with bobby pins. Wrap some longer strands from the back around the horns too. Completely cover the horns with hair. Leave the remaining hair undone. Ready? This Maleficent look is perfect for my client. She's satisfied. There is a special client at our salon. This is Queen Daenerys Stormborn, the Unburnt, Mother of Dragons. Okay, yes, I know all that. She'll be done in half an hour. Separate the top of the hair and pin it. Attach white clip-on hair extensions to the bottom part. Cover the joint with some upper strands. Attach another hair extension a bit higher. Undo the hair. Separate the top strands near your forehead. Leave a few strands undone and make a thin braid. Put it towards the nape of the head and pin it. Make another thin braid on the other side. Join them into one braid. Pin it. Take the next strand near the temple. Make 2 identical braids and braid them to the central piece at the back. Make 3 braids on each side. Keep braiding the central piece up to the end. Fasten it with a hair tie. Then take 2 side strands and braid them with the central piece. Keep braiding the hair at the center. Gradually braid in the side strands. Fasten the braid with a hair tie at the bottom. Curl the front strands with a conical wand. This hairstyle looks great on our Daenerys. Great job, Fairy! Oops, I'm sorry. I didn't park my dragons correctly. It looks like I've been here for too long. But here comes a very cheerful client. She needs the brightest hairstyle because she looks a lot like a unicorn. Leave this hairspray alone and sit still. Brush your hair and separate a thick strand in the center. Now let's use a horn base. Shape foil into a unicorn horn. Remove the top layer off a self-grip hair curler and hot glue it to the foil horn. Make cuts along the edge. Attach the horn to your head using bobby pins. Wrap the front strands of your hair around it. Add a colorful hair extension. Interchange your hair and the strands of the hair extension. Completely cover the horn. Put the hair at the back into a big ponytail. Leave 2 little strands at the front. Attach a colorful clip-on hair extension under the ponytail and wrap it around the hair tie. Add the colored strand to the ponytail. Apply hairspray. Wow! This unicorn hairstyle turned out amazing! It's magically beautiful! Thanks, Fairy! There is a strange visitor at the salon. She definitely isn't from our planet. Hello, Lilu. Do you want to do your hair? Hey, sit still. Here, take the 5th element. Please, let me do my job. Apply hairstyling foam to wet hair. Apply hair gel to separate strands and make thin twists. Arranged messy hair is perfect for the main character of the 5th element. Bye, Lilu Dallas Multipass! Is this the salon of fairy tale hairstyles? I want to have hair like my favorite character, Princess Leia from Star Wars. Can you do it? Cover your hair with hairspray and brush it. Make pigtails. Put on a bun donut. Separate strands from the pigtail. Wrap them around the donut and fasten them with bobby pins. Make a neat bun. Apply hairspray. Twist the ends and wrap them around the bun. Pin them. Make the same bun on the other side. Wow! You look just like Princess Leia! May the Force be with you! Here comes a new client. What hairstyle do you want? Oh, this must be the real owner of the salon. Fairy needs to vanish. Did you like our fairy tale hairstyles inspired by fictional characters? Then let us know in the comments what hairstyle you'd try out on yourself. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new hair ideas from Troom.